Hi, Don. This is Byron with First Class Marketing here with a short video on tips and tricks on optimizing your website and your Google profile. These tips can be used in-house as well for generating more traffic to your actual website and generating more revenue as well. As you can see, I do have your website pulled up here. And the first thing I do notice here, I do like the layout of the website. You definitely want to add your phone number here to the top of this section here, which will make it easier access for customers to give you a call, which will lead to easy conversions for potential clients as well. And as I scroll through your website here, I'll show you have some pictures and you have some content. Uh, with Google, they typically want to see about 15 to 2,000 words or so on your website, depending on the competition and the keywords on any given home page. The keywords are basically anything that someone types into Google looking for a specific product or a specific service as well. And Google loves information. So you within your content, you definitely want to incorporate more keywords because that is going to give Google um, a layout of your terms and how you want potential clients to view your website and the audience that you want viewing your website as well. And you can use pictures as a keyword as well in the background here. And this website is what we call Eras. This is basically a analytical breakdown of how your website is doing as far as traffic. And what we typically look at here is the UR and the DR here. So the UR is how much power is going to your website, and then the DR is how much trust that Google has in your website as well. With these, you typically want to be between 30 and 40 when it comes to these numbers, which is going to indicate a strong website. I do show you have about 2,300 backlinks with 30 referring domains. Backlinks are basically any other website that is linking back to your website via clickable text or through hyperlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal because some can be spammy and then others are authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the authoritative backlinks because those are going to send more power to your website as well. Utilizing these tips and tricks will give you more power to your website and boosting these numbers here. As you can see, there are no keywords to your actual website, which essentially is generating no traffic to your website per month. So again, utilizing these tips and tricks will actually optimize those numbers and getting more traffic to your actual website. For comparison, I actually Googled roofers in Austin, Texas, and these are the results that we have here. As you can see here, this is what we call the map pack section. And then down below it is what we call the organic listing here. So ultimately, you want to aim to be in the map pack area here, 30 to 40% your actual traffic, whether it's people calling into your business or traffic going to your website, it's going to be generated from this area here. So just a few tips on how you can actually get ranked onto this actual area here. You definitely want to create a Google profile. And then within this profile, you want to make sure that you are getting consistent good reviews for your company. And then with those reviews, you want to make sure that you are responding to those actual reviews as well. A lot of companies forget to respond to customers or they actually don't respond at all. So you want to make sure that you do respond as well as having your name, your business name, your address, and your phone number consistently listed the same, whether it's here on Facebook, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. You want to make sure that is actually filled out. And then also this About Me section here is about 750 characters. So you want to make sure that it's fully, completely filled out, along with keywords added to that as well, which is going to optimize your position. And then also, we have what we call citations. Citations are basically how your business address, name, and listed and hours are going to be listed all across different platforms. And it's going to go off per your Google profile as well. So you want to make sure it's all the exact same. And then that information is going to get you listed on different directories such as the BBB, the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, the Yellow Pages, and thousands more. So I pulled up some competition here, which is Austin Roofing and Construction. And as you can see, they have some pictures on here as well. They have the clickable phone number that I spoke about earlier. So that way that actually leads to more conversions for customers. And they have some content as well. So when I plug them into the actual Ahrefs website that we use to analyze your website, as you can see, their trust for Google is at a 31 and their power is at a 29. They do have about 3,400 backlinks with about 236 domains referring back to them. And as I stated before, it's definitely quality over quantity when it comes to these backlinks. And then they have about 143 keywords that is generating about 773 hits per month to their website. And just taking a quick look at their keywords here, as you can see, Austin Roofing and Construction, Austin Roofing Company, Austin Roofing Contractor. You definitely want to use keywords that are local buyer intent keywords instead of just national keywords such as roofing companies and not a location listed with that as well. So as you can see, you can optimize your website. You can actually use these keywords as well onto your website. And I hope this information was very helpful to you. And if there's any questions or anything that I can help with, my information will be listed on the email. So you can definitely give me some a shout back, and some feedback on this video would be helpful as well. I hope you have a great day.